Hi everyone, my name is Alba. I'm very excited to take this class with all of you. I don't have a lot of sales experience unless selling brownies in high school counts as it. I am the laboratory supervisor at a pork slaughter facility in southern Minnesota. So we sell your regular ribs. Actually, we also sell St. Louis ribs, your loins, your shoulder product, your bellies, etc. We sell a lot of product to Japan. Japanese, they actually like loins a lot, and there are specific cuts of meat that the Japanese like very much. So I consider my job very fun. So we conduct our routine testing. So we swab product surfaces and equipment for bacteria. We test the product for shelf life just to ensure that our process is still sanitary and that we can meet those customer expectations. However, I work with sales a lot. So, for example, if they want to sell a new product, for example, they come to me first. So I have to conduct a trial to ensure that the process that we want to start is safe for our customers. For example, if they want to sell a new piece of product, for example, the Karubi, which is kind of like a rib product that gets taken out of the shoulder. We have to conduct a lot of shelf life testing. We test different kind of packaging. We test to see like how the vacuum package is. So like, are there any air bubbles? How does the purge look like after 30 days? What's the odor like, etc. So it's actually a lot of fun, and we do weekly odor assessments with sales. So I invite all of the sales personnel to the lab, and we look at meat at different stages of aging, and we determine like, does the product look okay? Do we have an issue? And it's just to train the sales reps in how the product looks like. So for example, like they have the knowledge to tell our customers like, yeah, for sure, I can let you know that our meat is looking great, or whatever maybe. Um, Regarding my passions and hobbies, I like swimming a lot. So I used to swim when I was a kid, and I'm kind of retaking that hobby back. I like walking. I like running. I actually signed up for a race that's gonna be on August 4th. And I like just chilling. I'm a very calm person. So this is me, and I'm very excited to work with all of you. Thank you very much.